Looking for the best automatic gate opener? In this video, we'll break down the top automatic gate openers available, whilst comparing them for price versus performance. Before we get started with our video detailing the best automatic gate openers on the market, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting off at number 1, we have the Liftmaster LA400 PKGU. While it comes at a higher price point than some of its rivals, the LiftMaster LA400 PKGU is a very capable gate opener that will impress users to no end. It delivers performance and durability that you are not going to find in any other product. One of the best aspects of this gate opener is that it uses MyQ technology. Thanks to this technology, you are able to operate the gate opener through a smartphone, tablet, or computer. Being able to use the gate through these devices is so helpful, especially if you have many family members coming in and out of the property each day. You will not have to worry about someone being without access to the remote. They will have the gate's code synced up to their smartphone, and that is enough. Thanks to its high-capacity solar-powered battery, the gate has up to 400 cycles in its charge capacity. You don't have to worry about it ever running out of juice, even if you have a week of cloudy weather and you're still using it all the time. At number 2, we have the mighty Mule MM562. Need a gate opener that can handle your dual opening swing gate? The mighty Mule MM562 is a very good choice. It is an electric-powered gate opener that runs through AC power. However, the gate is solar capable if you purchase a mighty Mule solar panel along with it. The MM562 works with gates that are up to 18 feet long and 850 pounds in weight. However, it will not work with gates that exceed these specifications. The MM562 is one of the best gate openers for those who want to install everything themselves. It comes with a detailed instructional manual and a useful DVD that shows you the installation process. The mighty Mule will work with ornamental, tube, panel, vinyl, and chain-link dual swing gates without any issues. It features a single button remote for very easy access, but it will not open without activation, which ensures maximum security for your home. At number 3, we have the Ghost Controls TSS1XP. Want an affordable, solar-powered gate opener that can handle heavy-duty swing gates? If your swing gate is up to 20 feet and 300 pounds, this gate opener will be able to handle this operation without any problems. You also have the benefit of knowing that you are purchasing from an American company that makes its products domestically. If there are any warranty issues or you need new parts, you should not have any issues contacting the manufacturer for assistance. This gate opener will work nicely with a typical residential gate. It is also heavy-duty enough to handle a farm gate, and thanks to the SafeForce technology that is built into the device, the gate opener will only use the amount of force that is necessary to get your gate open. You don't have to worry about anyone getting hurt while the device is opening or closing the gate. The motion is very steady. At number 4, we have the ALEKO AC1400. One of the top sliding gate openers on the market, the ALEKO AC1400 is a quality option for those who want a no-frills electric-powered gate opener. It is extremely reliable, works with different types of sliding gates, and supports up to 1,400 pounds in weight. Even if your gate is as long as 50 feet, the AC1400 will handle the opening without any problems. Homeowners who have a massive sliding gate at the front of their home will be happy with this news. And the gate opener has a steel chassis, ensuring ultimate durability and longevity. Despite the durable nature of the gate opener and its heavy-duty capacity, it is very easy to install. It is a lightweight gate opener that one person can install without a problem. You will need to read the instruction manual very carefully, because you don't want to make any mistakes. And to sum it up, it features a high-performance motor and contains 2 sensors for easy operation. And for our final pick at number 5, we have the mighty Mule MMSL2000B. If you have a massive single slide gate and you want an opener you can trust, the mighty Mule MMSL2000B is a very good choice. It is rated to work with sliding gates that are up to 20 feet long and weigh up to 1,000 pounds. That weight capacity is for each leaf of the gate. It's hard to imagine anyone having a residential gate that's too heavy to work with the MMSL2000B. It works through a 12-volt DC motor and can be used with a solar kit if you want. Mighty Mule sells solar panels that are compatible with this gate opener. The compact nature of this device means that it will easily fit into the smallest of spaces. If you are desiring a powerful gate opener that does not take up much space, this is the ideal product for you. So that sums up our top automatic gate openers of 2019. We hope you enjoyed. If you did, please leave a like on the video, and if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next time, have a great day.